What up? Well, back to stock market mindset with Slick the Trader. We're gonna go over this spy trade I took today. Almost 400%, 26% on the account. As you can see, I took a couple trades from those little green lines right there. So let's run through it real quick. We had a two up, and then we got a two down on the day, right? The previous day was a two up. Wasn't necessarily a shooter, but once we crossed this level, we had a gap down on like the 1 hour chart you'll be able to see in a few. Turn this off for a sec. These are ICT fair value gaps. So 222 reversal to the downside. And as you can see on this hour chart, we came and took out this level here, right? And this is that small gap I was talking about, right? On a 5 minute chart, we basically had a 3-1 double inside. Then boom, we kind of got this push down, right? Once we got into that gap, we just continued to fall. So that was my actionable signal. It was closer to the end of the day. I think I took this trade about, was it 2:30, almost 3 o'clock, somewhere around this range. And this is how I got that push. Had some out of the money 0 days. Pretty risky, but I seen what I seen. Time frame continuity was to the downside on a week to day to 4 hour. And at this time, that hour 30 and the 15. Also, as you can see, that changed once we crossed over this level. Like I said, came, snatched some liquidity down here out of this zone. And then we kind of got a little reversal. So go back to the hour chart. But yeah, so this is also another actionable signal. So you could have got in here. But one thing about me, I like to work things off the daily levels. I just feel as though I just get a stronger push and more confidence with it. And we took out this level and this level. So we entered this trade a little under 580.73. That was when the daily level broke. And yeah, we pushed on down and took out one of these levels that we have here, right? Two targets actually. So, and like I said, there's another one, actionable signal, boom, boom, and two continuation, right? So there's the gap on the 4 hour. So that's what you got on this daily. This is the reversal, but we came down, knocked that out. Now, will we continue tomorrow? Not sure, but we can go to ES. And as you can see, we got an inside candle on a daily. Probably get some more movement as later in, the session goes. And Globex, we'll see what we get in the morning. But right now we inside, double inside. So we got a 2-1, basically looking for a 2-1-2, reversal continuation, either one, but it's another strat setup. So that's basically my recap on trade on SPY. I mean, that's why I like this. Like, that is why I like the strat. It's very simple. Level break into, go your target, take profit. Such a stop loss, right? Another thing I can show you real quick, because everything I do comes with a lesson, is once we broke, we had this small fair value gap right here, right, that we reversed, couldn't get back over, and boom, came on down. So, like I said, I use multiple things in my strategy to, um, you know, get what I need. It's just having different things in your playbook. Like I said, I will start to incorporate more strat education. ICT education as I go along, because the strat and ICT are very similar. At the end of the day, it's just price action. Like I said, the strat is price action on training wheels. If you need my help, please, please, please hit the links in the bios and in the about section here on YouTube and in the description. And you can hit my link tree. And you can get the course. It's $35. It's packed with lessons. I keep adding lessons to it. I also add some live trading so you get a feel of the live market and how I take trades, and I talk you all the way through them. If you need one-on-ones, they $55 for 1 hour. I tell people get the course first. It's $35. Watch it over and over and over. All the links to everything you need from indicators, everything is in the course. So when you get to me and you say, I want to do a one-on-one, have your notes ready. We can go over what you're struggling with. So I'm not wasting your time, my time, or your money, right? Because I'm not here for a money grab. I'm here to help people. And the money that you pay for this course and the one-on-ones basically is just to keep growing the education. Because Rob basically gave this game out for free. And I'm just returning the favor because it has made me a profitable trader. The Strat has, and I appreciate him for that. So that's all you need to know. I'm out. Be back soon with another one.